So do I write?
Read the instructions.
Read the words.
A bit louder for me, for your mum.
Read the words along.
Aloud.
Read the words aloud. Then say the sound of the letter as trace it. As you trace it.
Good.
Leg, lamp.
Beautiful. Sound? Oh, like that. As you trace it. Beautiful. Fantastic. Awesome. Keep going. Read, please.
Read the words aloud.
Hold up your pencil, please. Put hold of your pencil.
Read the words aloud, then say the sound of the letter as you trace it.
Beautiful.
Leg, lamp.
Awesome. And